we love each other because I'm waiting for her to talk to me if she can recognize me as a Filipino.
Ah.
And she didn't. And then, but I know that she's a Filipino because of the face,
The shape, yeah.
skin and stuff like that. And then afterwards, when my husband home and I had my niece in the house, and we talked our language, and she heard it, and then of course she come here.
Came and talked to you.
She said she loved it. And she's a really good nurse. She said, it's like when you're new here in this area, it's just like it's like if somebody
Something familiar. Well,
yeah, familiar.